Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products to help you make the right choices for your home and projects. In today's video, we're taking a close look at what I believe to be the best GoBoard available. Perfect for anyone looking to renovate or install a waterproof backerboard for their shower. If you've been considering upgrading your bathroom or need a reliable, durable solution for your walls, stick around, because this product is one you don't want to miss. The GoBoard Waterproof Backerboard Kit includes everything you need to create a long-lasting, waterproof surface in your shower. It comes with 6 3x5-foot sheets of backerboard, which cover an impressive 90 square feet of space. That's more than enough for most standard shower installations. Each sheet is half an inch thick and made from a high-quality polyurethane material that's not only incredibly lightweight but also super easy to cut. You can do it with just a utility knife, meaning no need for complex tools or excessive labor. Whether you're a DIYer or a professional, this makes installation a breeze. Now, let's talk about what really sets the GoBoard apart. It's 100% waterproof. Yes, you heard that right, built-in waterproofing. So, when it comes to protecting your walls from the inevitable moisture and humidity of a shower, GoBoard has you covered. You don't have to worry about mold or mildew growth over time, which can often be a problem with traditional cement boards. This product is engineered to stand up to wet conditions, ensuring a safe, durable, and easy-to-maintain shower system. What's more, the kit includes 4 tubes of KBRS shower seal polyurethane sealant and a 2.5-pound bag of screws. These additional accessories mean you won't have to shop for separate items. Everything you need for a tight, secure installation is right in the box. The sealant itself provides that extra layer of protection against leaks, which is a must-have in any bathroom project. And since it's all prepped for you, you can tile your shower the same day you install the boards. That's a huge time saver and speaks to the overall convenience of GoBoard. Another major selling point is how durable and lightweight the material is. GoBoard is strong enough to hold up against the daily wear and tear of a bathroom, but it won't break your back during installation. Whether you're working in a tight space or just want a lighter material to handle, GoBoard makes the process so much easier. The ultra-durable, lightweight design means you can carry the sheets without straining yourself and maneuver them into place effortlessly. If you're planning a shower remodel or looking for a reliable backerboard solution for your wet areas, GoBoard is an excellent choice. It checks all the boxes: waterproof, durable, easy to install, and cost-effective. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, the installation process is simple and straightforward. Plus, the peace of mind knowing your shower walls are well protected against water damage is priceless. In summary, the GoBoard Waterproof Backerboard Kit is a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their bathroom or install a shower from scratch. It's easy to use, incredibly effective, and backed by a high-quality brand. So if you want a hassle-free, waterproof solution, GoBoard is definitely the way to go. That wraps up our review of the GoBoard Waterproof Backerboard Kit. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest product reviews. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with GoBoard, drop a comment down below. Until next time, this is Product Critique, helping you make the best choices for your home projects.